everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about restoring a classic Windows 7 like theme to your Windows 10 computer. So while this won't be exact, such as restoring the arrow theme functionality, so like some of the eye candy stuff when you're opening up different windows. Like you can see, you won't have the exact window bar, it'll look like this. However, we're going to resolve the start menu as well as the search bar down here, and I'll even show you how to get the classic background wallpaper too. So pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So before we even download or install anything, you can just actually remove the start menu search box right here just by right clicking on a blank area of the taskbar. And then where it says show Cortana button, go ahead and just click inside this one time. And then also once you've done that, go right click on the taskbar again. And then where it says search, left click on that, and then select hidden. So there you go guys, that should actually be able to do quite a bit for you right there. However, if you want to restore more of the start menu functionality beyond just this little icon down there, we can go ahead and head over to the internet. And we are going to head over to Google Images and just going to select images here. And what I'm going to do is just type in Windows 7 wallpaper. Just search for that. You may want to select the tools option on the far right side, and then underneath size, click inside the drop down and select large. You could also select by your specific monitor resolution, so you could also just type in whatever your resolution is, so it might look a little bit better. But I'm just going to grab the first one listed here. I'm going to just literally right click on the image and then save it to our desktop. And I'm going to just save that. Again, it doesn't have to be any particular website, but you can tell that usually they're going to recommend the highest ones right up at the top, meaning they're probably going to be the best ones. So now that I have this on my desktop, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to set it as our wallpaper. Set as desktop background. Okay. So if that's still not enough and you want to get the classic start button back, we're going to head back over to our browser. Going to go back to Google here, and there are different programs that will let you restore the classic start button that you see in Windows 7. I'm just going to search up classic Windows 7 start menu, and there are, like I said, a couple different programs that will do this. I'm going to go with Classic Shell, which should be the first result on this page. Make sure you're not clicking on some advertisement here. I know you may see other search options, but we're going to use Classic Shell. So we're going to use Classic Shell for today's tutorial. No particular reason, however, I've used this before and generally I like it, so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to go select the Download Now button. And we're going to go select the English installer. And once it is done downloading, just go ahead and open it up one time to run it. It's going to ask you when to sure you want to run the file. Select Run. Select Next. You want to accept the items in the license agreement, and then select Next again. And I would recommend keeping the default icon configuration as you see it here. Just select Next, and then we're going to install it. We'll take a moment here, just be patient, and if you receive a user account control prompt, you just want to go and select Yes. And now you can just uncheck where it says View the README file and then select Finish. And just give it a moment here, it's still loading. Now we should be prompted with a settings screen. So we're just going to go and select whichever one you want. So we could do like the Windows Vista theme or classic theme. Like I guess this would be like Windows 2000-ish theme with a search bar, which is a little bit different obviously from the Windows 9X series through Windows XP. You do have a little search bar added. I think we all can agree that definitely improves the start menu. But we're going to go select the Windows 7 style for this tutorial, and we're also going to just go ahead and select OK. So we are not going to replace the start button. However, there are websites online you can download the Windows 7 trademark button logo. I'm not going to really get into that for this tutorial. This logo is fine. The functionality is going to resume the Windows 7 style though, as you're going to see. So we're going to go select OK. Now if we open up the start menu, you see it'll resume the classic Windows 7 style, at least in terms of functionality. It may look slightly different, but generally speaking it's going to work. So you can see it pretty much operates like Windows 7. It might look slightly different, but generally the functionality should be nearly identical here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.